Hello everyone, welcome back to Hunt online teaching for mathematics. At the section today we are going to discuss about polynomials and factorization. So let us focus on polynomial first, so which is a part of 9th class mathematics. So have been given one example, that is a polynomial equation 6x square plus 4y minus 3. So in that polynomial equation 6 and 4 are coefficient values, okay, x square coefficient, y coefficient 4, so 6 and 4 are coefficient values. Am I clear? So next one, here x and y are variable, so x and y are variables, okay. So next one, so here 3 is a constant value, so last one value 3 is a constant because so 3 is only for constant because it is not followed by coefficient, so term especially for variable. So 3 is an independent value, nothing but constant value. So here power value nothing but so x square power value is called exponent. Here x power value 2 is the exponent, here y power value 1 is the exponent. So it is only one type of example of polynomial, 6x square plus 4y minus 3. So what is a polynomial? So a polynomial is defined as an algebraic expression that consists of a variables, coefficients and exponents combined using on addition, subtraction or multiplication. Each term in a polynomial has a non-negative whole number exponent. So especially polynomial nothing but it is a algebraic expression, nothing but it is a one type of equation. So clearly we need to identify that it consists of variables, just like that, variables, coefficients. For example, you can write 3x square plus 4y plus 7, okay. So algebraic expression, so it consists of variables, x and y are variables, coefficients 3 and 4 are coefficients, and exponents, square 2 is an exponent combined using an addition and multiplication, subtraction. So here so for example minus 7 given. Am I clear? So addition, subtraction or multiplication, sometime 3 into x square, this is a 3 into x square multiplication. Each term in a polynomial has a non-negative whole number exponent, especially exponent nothing but don't taken as a negative, so it is non-negative whole number exponent. So exponents should be a positive integer. Am I clear? So this is an example for the polynomial. Standard form of a polynomial is it can be denoted as p of x equal to an x power n plus a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x power n minus 2 and so on, a1x plus a0, where an minus 1, a n minus 2 and so on, an, a0, a1, a0 are called coefficients. So coefficients of x power n, x power minus 1, x power minus 2 and so on x, and constant term respectively. So and constant term respectively, and it is should belongs to a real number. So these are belongs to a real number, nothing but r. It is clear. So standard form of polynomial, this is not important, so it can be denoted as p of x. So clearly we need to understand what is the notation. So the polynomial function is denoted by pn, p of n. So where x represents the variable, p of x can be written x square minus 6x plus 9, that is example. So or so it can be written as p of x equals to 7x square minus 5x plus 3. So anyone. So it is an example, nothing but notation of the polynomial function. Type of polynomial: by number of term or by degree. So clearly we need to understand type and definition and example. So type of polynomial by number of terms, by degree. So first one, monomial. So clearly we need to understand monomial means so it is has only one term. So only one terms. What is the example? 5x cube or 6x square y cube z power 4. It is also called one term. So one term polynomial is called monomial. So one term, so 5x cube, what I am given example. So second one, binomial. So binomial means two terms. So what is two terms? X minus 6. or 2x plus 3, so whatever you can write 2 in terms polynomial is called binomial. So next one, trinomial. So nothing but 3 terms, it contains 3 terms, for example 2x square plus 5x plus 8. So just like a quadratic equation, 2x square plus 5x plus 8, so 3 terms. So 2x square, 5x and 8. So 3 terms polynomial is called trinomial. Next, 0 polynomial. All coefficients are 0. So all coefficients are 0. That is called 0 polynomial. Am I clear? This is very important valid point. For example, 0 polynomial, nothing but 0 into x cube, 0 into x square, 0 into 6. Okay, so nothing but all are it equals to 0. So 0. So that is example. So next one, constant polynomial. So constant polynomial degree has 0. So because so constant means that is independent value. So clearly we need to understand. So if it is given 5, so 5 coefficient x y variables not multiplied together. So that power always 0. Nothing but degree also 0. So next one, linear polynomial. So degree has 1. So 4x plus 3. So how can you find the degree? Degree means it is only exponent of a variable. So here 4x given, so x power 1, nothing but 4x. Clearly we need to understand 4x plus 3, nothing but 4x power 1. So what is degree? Degree, how to find the degree? So power of exponent. So highest power of exponent is called degree. But here only one variable given, that the exponent is 1. So degree also 1. This is very important valid point. Next one. So quadratic polynomial, so having degrees 2x square minus 5x plus 4. So here, so what is degree? The highest component. So clearly we need to understand the highest. So which one? So power value. So x square, here 5 power x power 1 plus 4. So clearly we need to understand. Yes sir, here what is degree? The highest exponent of the variable is called degree. So x square is the highest exponent, so degree also 2. So next one, cubic polynomial. So degree has 3. So 2x cube plus 3x minus 8. Here what is the variable? Say x. So x cube, here x power 1. So what is degree? The highest value of exponent. So x cube, nothing but 3 is a degree. So that is very important. Am I clear? Next one, standard form and components of a polynomial. Standard form and components of a polynomial. Component and description and example is given. So what I am given the example, 5x square plus 3x minus 6. It is a polynomial equation. So term first one, a part of the expression separated by plus or minus. So especially 5x square plus 3x minus 6. In that equation what I am using, plus and minus, plus and minus. A part of expression separated by plus or minus. Plus or minus. So coefficients, the number multiplied with a variable. So coefficient nothing but here 5, here 3. These are called coefficients. So 5 for x square coefficient, 3 for x coefficient. Minus 6 is the constant value. So here minus 6 is the constant value. Next one, variable. The unknown are letter using usually x, y and etc. But here, so what I'm a to z, especially variable nothing but only these 24 letters, 26 letters in alphabetical order, especially English alphabetical order can be used. So almost in x, y, z. So these terms can be used now. So clearly we need to understand variable nothing but here hex is a variable. Only one variable has mentioned, 5x square plus 3x minus 6. X is a variable. So it's unknown or letter, usually x or y. etc. So exponent means what? The power to the variable must be non-negative integer. That is very important valid point. Must be non-negative integer. Any polynomial equation, any monopolynomial and quadropolynomial, any polynomial, so must be non-negative integer. So especially the power value, nothing but exponent value. So in that example, 2 for x square, 2 for x square, 1 for so 1 for x. This is 1 for x. 1 for x and 0 for constant. Am I clear? So exponent nothing but. So variables what I am given here, x square, here x. So here 2 is exponent of x square. Here 1 is the exponent of x. Here 0 is the exponent of. Here 0 is the exponent of 6. Am I clear? So nothing but 0 for the constant. So here which one is constant? 6 is a constant. So degree, the highest exponent in the polynomial is called degree. So in that equation, so which variable, so which variable has mentioned? X. So the highest exponent in that polynomial, that is 2. So that is 2, that is called degree. Degree means the very important point. Degree, how to find the degree of polynomial equation? The highest exponent in that polynomial is called degree. So here 5x square. Suppose you can write 6x x power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 7. This is also polynomial equation. So what is the degree here? The highest exponent in that polynomial is called degree. So highest exponent nothing but 4. 4 is the degree. So in that equation polynomial, so what is the degree of the equation? 4 is the degree. So 4, because the highest exponent in that polynomial is called degree. So x4 here x2. So which one is highest here? x1. So especially exponents 4 to 1. 4 to 1. So which one is the highest exponent? That is called degree. Degree is 4 for that polynomial equation. Am I clear? So example of polynomial equation. Let's see some example with a different form. First one, 7x plus 5. So a linear polynomial. So a linear polynomial given here. So here what is the variable x? The highest power, nothing but the highest power value of variable is called degree. So degree is 1. Okay, highest exponent of the polynomial is 1. So next one, second one, 2x square minus 3x plus 4. It is a quadratic trinomial. So degree is 2, because what is degree? Already told you, the highest exponent in the polynomial. What is the exponents here? 2 and 1. So 2x square, exponents 2, here x power 1, nothing but highest value is 2. So degree is 2. Am I clear? So third, let's go to third one, 9y. A monomial degree is 1, only y term. So clearly we need to understand 9y is also polynomial equation. It is only one term. A polynomial has one term, it is called monomial. So degree has 1, because y is a variable, power value is 1. So y power 9 into y power 1, nothing but the highest value. So which one? Exponent. Highest exponent value is called degree. Degree is 1. Next one, fourth one, 4x cube minus x, a cubic binomial. So in that cubic binomial, what is the degree? Degree is 3, because what is degree? The highest exponent value. So that is 3. So degree is 3. Am I clear? Next one, 7 is a constant. Let's go to fifth one. 7 is an example. A constant polynomial degree always 0, because it's not contains any type of components. So clearly we need to understand 7 is only for a constant value. It is not having exponent value, because if it is mentioned variable, the power value is possible. So for example, if it is given 7x power 1, so 1 is a degree, 7x square 2 is a degree, but here only 7 given. 7 nothing but what? Constant. All constant value of polynomial, always the degree is 0. Clear? So non-polynomial example, what is not a polynomial? This is very important. So which of the following is not a polynomial? In that particular question, so sometimes what I am asking, which of the following equation is not a polynomial? So clearly we need to understand. So non-polynomial example, that means what is not a polynomial? X power minus 1, negative exponent is not allowed, nothing but, so especially in the exponent part, so negative integer is not a polynomial, and fractional exponent is not allowed. So clearly we need to understand a root a, nothing but it can be written a power 1 by 2. So fractional exponent, this is exponent value 1 by 2, fractional exponent is not allowed. It is not a polynomial. Next, 1 by x, variable is in denominator. So if it is given denominator is variable, for example 2 by x square, 3 by x plus 4, it is not a polynomial, because variable in denominator is not a polynomial. And fourth one, x square plus 1 by y, variable in denominator, here also given denominator. So the variable given in denominator, it is not a polynomial equation. X square plus 1 by y is not a polynomial equation. So let's go to fifth one. X power 1 by 2. So it is a fractional value. So okay, exponent having a fraction 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2, nothing but it is a fractional value in that exponent part. It is not a polynomial equation. So non-polynomial example is negative exponent is not allowed, fractional exponent is not allowed, variable denominator is not allowed, again fractional exponent not allowed. Am I clear? This is very important valid point. Am I clear? So let's go to question worksheet number 1. Mains model have a worksheet number 1. Question number 1, what I am asking, the value of the expression n square by 2 plus n by 2 where n equals to 12 is option A is 76, option B is 74, option C is 78, option D is 72. So clearly we need to understand if n equals to 12, so what is the given equation? N square by 2 plus n by 2. It is a polynomial equation because variables do not given in the denominator. So clearly we need to understand variables in denominator, not a polynomial. But if it is given numerator, this is a polynomial equation. Am I clear? So it can be written 1 by 2 into n square plus 1 by 2 into n. So where n equals to how much given? So put the value of n equals to 12 given. So that means it can be written as, so n square nothing but 12 square. 12 square by 2 plus 12 by 2. 12 by 2. So 12 square nothing but 144. 144 by 2 plus 12 ones are 12 6 sorry 2 ones are 2 6. Am I clear? This is 2 ones are 2 6. Yes, again 144 by 2. 2 ones are 2 72. 72 plus 6, answer is 78. So option C is right answer. Directly put the value of n in that equation, polynomial equation, will get the answer. Am I clear? Because the question what I am asking, value of the expression. So directly those value, n value, directly put in that equation will get 78. Option C is right answer. So let's go to question number 2. If 7x by 3 minus 7 by 6 is a polynomial, then the 0 of the polynomial is. So this is very important condition. 0 of the polynomial is option A 1 by 2, option B minus 1 by 2, option C 0, option D minus 2. 0 of the polynomial means the polynomial of equation equals to 0 is called 0 of the polynomial. Am I clear? What I am given polynomial? 7x by 3. So variables does not appear in the denominator. So if it is given numerator, the variable given in the numerator, that is called polynomial. Am I clear? 7x by 3 minus 7 by 6 is a polynomial. So the 0 of the polynomial is nothing but 0 of the polynomial is what? So the polynomial equation equals to 0 is called 0 of the polynomial. Am I clear? But question what I am asking, then the 0 of the polynomial is. So clearly we need to understand. So clearly it can be written as 7x by 3 equals to minus 7 by 6, go to right side, it will become a plus. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand. Yes sir. 7 7 cancel, here 7 7 cancel, again denominators, numerator 7 7 cancel, denominator 3 1s are 3 2s are. So what I am getting, x equals to 1 by 2. So here what I am asking, if 7x by 3 minus 7 by 6 is a polynomial, then the 0 of the polynomial is 1 by 2. So option A is right answer. Am I clear? So x value is 1 by 2. Let's go to question number 3. If the 0 of a polynomial e in x is minus 5 by 4, then the polynomial is. So what is that polynomial? So already given 0 of the polynomial in x. Here also 0 of the polynomial in x. Nothing but x value is 1 by 2. But here, so what I am given, x is minus 5 by 2. So 0 of the polynomial in x is 5 by 2. Then the polynomial is. So clearly through options. So which one is x value equal to minus 5 by 4? So polynomial, 0 polynomial means what? The value of the polynomial equation equals to 0. So verification, answer verification, option A what I am given, 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So what it can be written, 4x equal to 5, because minus 5 go to right side, it will become a plus, therefore x equals to 5 by 4. So is it given 5 by 4? Minus 5 by 4 given. So option A is wrong. So what is option B? 5x minus 4 equal to 0. So because 0 of the polynomial, nothing but the value of the polynomial equals to 0, 5x equals to 4, therefore x equals to 4 by 5. It is also not minus 5 by 4. And option C, what I am given, 5x plus 4 equal to 0. So because the 0 of the polynomials means the value of the polynomial equal to 0, therefore 5x equals to minus 4, because plus 4 go to right side, it will become a minus 4. Therefore x equals to minus 4 by 5. Is it given minus 4 by 5? So all are wrong. A, B, C do not satisfy that condition. Which one is other option? D. D equals to 4x plus 5 given. It is equals to 0. First one, it is equated to 0 because 0 of the polynomial means the equation of the polynomial is equal to 0. So therefore it can be written 4x equal to minus 5. Plus 5 go to right side, it will become minus 5. Therefore x equals to minus 5 by 4. So here minus 5 by 4 given. So 0 of the polynomial in x is minus 5 by 4. Which option is satisfied? 4x plus 5. So then the polynomial is 4x plus 5. So 4x plus 5, the 0 of the 4x plus 5 is minus 5 by 4. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 4. If a equals minus 8x square minus 6x plus 10, then its value when x equal to 1 by 2 is. So there option A 6, option B 4, option C 5, option D 7. So what I am given, a value equals to minus 8x square minus 6x plus 10 given, but question what I am asking, then its value nothing but a value asking at x equals to 1 by 2. So put the value x equals to 1 by 2, therefore a equals to, it can be written minus 8 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 6 into 1 by 2 plus 10. So clearly, so minus 8 into 1 by 2 whole square nothing but into 1 by 4. Am I clear? Minus 6 into 2 1s are 2 3s are minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 10. So it is 4 1s are 4 2s are minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 10. So minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 10 equal to plus 5. So which one is right answer? Option C 5 is right answer. So let's go to question number 5. The third degree polynomial among the following is. The third degree polynomial among the following is. So clearly option A what I am given, 2x power 3 minus 1 plus 3x square minus 1 plus 5. So option B 3x power 4 minus 1 plus 2x power 3 minus 1 plus x power 2 minus 1 plus 8. Option C 3x power minus 2 minus 1 plus 4x power minus 2 plus 5. In option D 2x power 5 minus 3 plus 3x power 4 minus 3 plus 7. So option A it can be written as 2x power 3 minus 1 nothing but 3 minus 1 value 2x square plus 3x power what I am given 2 minus 1 nothing but 1 nothing but x plus 5. So it is a third degree polynomial. No, it is a, so degree of the, so degree is 2 because the highest exponent value is called degree. So it is not satisfied. So first one is wrong. So what is the option being? 3x power 4 minus 1 nothing but 3x cube plus 2x power 3 minus 1 given nothing but 2x square plus 6x power 2 minus 1 nothing but x plus 8. So it is a polynomial equation. So that equation has a degree is 3 because what is the degree? Highest exponent value. Here x coefficient, x value 3, actually x power 3, here x square, here x power 1 given. So what is the highest exponent value? 3. So degree also 3. But question what I am asking, third degree polynomial among the following is. Option B is the right answer. Because this is the original expression, 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 8. So one should have to verify the C. It is a 3x power. So see what I am given, 3x power minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So power value is a negative integer. It is not a polynomial equation. So power values, especially exponents, has not a negative integer. So C is wrong. So D is a 2x power 3. Okay. So one should have to verify the D also. 2x power 5 minus 3 nothing but 2. Again 3x power 4 minus 3 nothing but 1 plus 2. What is the degree of the polynomial equation? So degree is 2 because the highest exponent value is called degree. So degree is 2. It is also not satisfied because question what I am asking, third degree polynomial. Option B is right answer. Let's go to question number 6. Among the following, the expression which is not the monomial is? So monomial means one term. All are option given one term. Option A 4a cube b square c power 5 by 23. Option B minus 147 x cube y square. Option C 2 by 7 x power minus 2 y power 5 into z. Option D x cube y power 5 z power 12. So in that, among the following, the expression which is not a monomial polynomial. So monomial means it is only one term. It can be expressed as a one term, okay na, with multiplications. So clearly we need to understand. So a monomial equation has not exponent is negative. So in that option C, what I am given, x power minus 2 given, x power minus 2. So x power minus 2 given. So negative integer, especially either polynomial or monomial, so negative, especially a negative exponent doesn't follow. So that means it is not a monomial equation. Option C is right answer. So it is not a monomial equation. So remaining all are monomials, because so it is a monomial means one term polynomial. So it is a one term, it is also one term, it is also one term. Power should be positive. Here all powers are positive. So nothing but exponents are positive integers here also, except C. Am I clear? So 2 by 7 x power minus 2 y power 5 z. So monomial is not having exponent is negative integers. So option C is not a monomial equation. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 7. If x equals to a by 2, then the value of 4x square plus 8x plus 18 is option A square plus 2a plus 8, option B a square plus 3a plus 18, option C a square plus 4a plus 18, option D a square plus 5a plus 18. So what I am asking, x value a by 2 asking. So what I am given, the polynomial equation 4x square plus 8x plus 18. So put the value of x equals to a by 2. So therefore it can be written 4 into x value a by 2 whole square plus 8 into x value a by 2 plus 18. Am I clear? So therefore it can be written 4 into a square by 2 whole square, nothing but a square, a by 2 whole square, nothing but a square by 4. So 4 into a square by 4, that means 4 into a by 2 whole square, nothing but 4 into a square by 4, 2 square value 4 denominator, plus 8 into, it can be written 8 into a by 2 plus 18. So 4 cancel, here 2 1s are 2 4s are. So what I am getting, a square, here 4 into a, 4a plus 18. This is the required answer. A square plus 4a plus 18, option C is right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 8. The value of the expression minus 26 by 3 minus 13x by 27 when x equal to 9 by 13 is option A minus 8, option B minus 10, option C minus 9, option D minus 11. So what I am given, the polynomial equation minus 26 by 3 minus 13x by 27 when x equals to 9 by 13 given. So put the value of x equals to 9 by 13. Therefore the equation can be written as minus 26 by 3 minus 13 into, so what is x value, 9 by 13, 13 into 9 by 13 whole by 27. So 13 cancel here. So what you are getting, minus 26 by 3, here 9 by minus 9 by 27, 9 by 27, 9 1s are 9 3s are. So therefore it can be written 3 LCM and 3. So minus 26 minus 1, nothing but minus 27 by 3. It can be written as 3 1s are 3 9s are. Then answer is minus 9. So option C is right answer. So let's go to question number 9. Degree of the polynomial p plus q x power m plus r x power m plus 2 plus 5 x power m plus 3 plus x power m plus 4 is. So what I am asking, degree of the polynomial equation. So this is a polynomial equation. Option A m, option B m plus 2, option 3 m plus 3 and option D m plus 4. So all options having m, variable m, so but additional plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 given. So what is, how to find the degree of the polynomial equation? The highest exponent of the polynomial equation is called degree. So it is so this is a constant value. So degree is in that first value p, nothing but it is a constant value, degree is 0. Here q into x power m, degree is m. Here r into x power m plus 2, degree is m plus 2. Here 5 into x power m plus 3, degree is m plus 3. Here x power m plus 4. So nothing but m plus 4 is the highest exponent, that is called degree of the given polynomial. So which one is the right answer? M plus 4, option D is right answer. So let's go to question number 10. If n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 represents sum of all squares of first n natural numbers, then its value when n equals to 10 is. So what I am asking, some value of the sum of the first n square natural numbers. So it can be represented as sigma n square. Sum of the first n square natural numbers. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. But where n equals to what I am given? N equals to 10. N equals to 10. So nothing but, so directly n value put in that equation. So therefore it can be written as sigma 10 square. N value 10. So 10 terms only given. 10 square equals to, it can be written as n value 10 into, so 10 into n plus 1, nothing but 10 plus 1, 11 into 2n plus 1, 2n nothing but 2 into 10, 20 plus 1, 21 whole by 6. So 3 2s are 3 7s are. Again 2 1s are 2 5s are. What is the answer? 5 into 11, 55, 55 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, again 7 5s are 35 plus 3, 38. So then answer is 385. 385, option D is the right answer. So it is a sum of the first 10 square natural numbers. So because n value, what I am given 10. Okay. So option D 385 is a right answer. Is it clear? So remaining exercises I will discuss you later. Thank you. Have a nice time.